Hello South Africa. 8 killed in 3 separate crashes in the Free State. 8 people have been killed in 3 separate crashes in the Free State since the early hours of Friday morning, December 23. A collision between 2 minibus taxis on the N6 between Reddersburg and Bloemfontein killed 5 people. VRMED and LifeEMS, as well as other emergency services, responded to reports of a head-on collision between 2 minibus taxis approximately 30 kilometers from Bloemfontein. Upon arrival, crews discovered one vehicle wrecked on the road and another in the field. Crews immediately started triaging the numerous injured passengers. Unfortunately, 5 of the occupants died as a result of their injuries and were pronounced dead at the scene. Multiple patients with minor to serious injuries were transported to various hospitals in Bloemfontein after the crash. In the second incident, a taxi and a car collided on the N6 near Smithfield, killing 1 person. In a third incident, a truck and 2 cars collided on the N3 road close to Villiers, killing 2 people. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.